Page 157. Exercise C. A lecture on ending blindness, Part 2.
So, first, I will briefly describe the 3 exciting treatments that many believe will end all blindness. Then, we will look at each treatment in more detail. First, cell therapy. Remember, we discussed cells before. A cell is the smallest part of a living thing, a human, animal, or plant. Each cell has DNA. Your genes are part of your DNA, and they carry information about your body. You get your genes from your parents, grandparents, and all before them. Your genes make you, you. Sometimes your cells might not work properly, so with cell therapy, a doctor replaces the unhealthy eye cells with healthy ones. Second, stem cells. We just discussed replacing eye cells. Well, each part of the body has its own cells. Eye cells, and for example, blood cells, heart cells, skin cells, bone cells, and so on. A stem cell is a simple cell before it becomes an eye cell or any of these other types. Everyone has stem cells in addition to these other cells. Some blind people are born without a part of their eye. Others have some other problem. With stem cell treatment, a doctor puts stem cells in the eye and the stem cells grow and become the missing cells. Third, bionic eye parts. As you probably know, people who lose an arm or a leg can nowadays get a bionic arm or leg. This is an arm or leg machine. People learn to control the bionic arm or leg with their brain. A similar idea, but much smaller, is to replace an unhealthy part of an eye with a small machine or bionic eye part. These ideas do not yet work all the time, but as I mentioned, they may help end blindness in the next 20 years. That's all for today. Next time, we'll look at cell therapy in more detail.